Guys, you're welcome once again to another video from this channel. So as I'm doing the video right now, that is 12:54, and today is Sunday. The CSSPS portal, that is the school placement portal for 2023-2024 SHS academic year, is not yet live. So as you can see here, this site can't be reached. That doesn't mean that the site has been deleted. No, the site is off. The site is not yet live. So parents and students should calm down as we all wait for the portal to be live so that you can check your results. Okay, so as you are waiting, let's keep on praying that we'll get our schools that we chose. So for now, the site is not live, so we're all waiting for the site to be live so that you can check your school placement. Okay, so for you to check your placement, you need a voucher before you can check your school placement. So if you need a voucher, you can just contact the number on the screen and you will be able to get your voucher delivered to you within short possible time. So parents and students, let's all keep our fingers crossed. I will be coming out with videos to update you when the portal is live. Thank you for watching this video. See you.